Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Today I am showing you a very interesting, beautiful, outstanding, amazing and very creative, beautiful messenger ideas. Messenger with flower decoration ideas. You can watch this video. Simple and beautiful messenger flower arrangement for relaxing decor. It's our beautiful, amazing, latest rustic messenger flower decor ideas for beautiful home decoration. A decorated space can inspire creativity and positivity. It helps us think clearly and feel motivated, and anti stress decoration is all about comfort and peace. Choose items that you make you feel happy and relaxed. Soft textures like fabric ribbons and lace can also create a gentle feeling in a decorations. Always remember that decoration should bring joy, not pressure. Keep it simple and enjoyable. The goal of anti stress decoration is to create a peaceful home. A peaceful home means a peaceful mind. In the end, decoration is not only about style, it is about creating happiness, comfort, and calmness in everyday life. DIY decoration projects are also good family activities. Creating together brings happiness and positive energy. Even a small decoration on a table can bring joy. Small beauty can make a big difference in our day. Natural materials like wood, jute, and glass give a peaceful look. These materials connect us with nature. Natural materials like wood, jute, and glass give a peaceful look. These materials connect us with nature. You can create a small relaxation corner in your home. Add flowers, candles, and soft lights for a peaceful feeling. Anti stress decoration is also about balance. Too many items can feel heavy, but simple decoration feels calming. All ideas is very creative and most beautiful, most demanding, different and beautiful messenger ideas in this video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos. It's a very beautiful, amazing and very creative messenger ideas. And if you want to see others ideas, so you can visit in my channel and keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. All ideas very creative. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Most demanding, different and outstanding messenger ideas. You can feel special then you make it at home. So thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. Take care and assalamu alaikum. So friends, keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. It's a very beautiful, amazing, extra gorgeous, highly demanding and very creative messenger ideas. Thank you so much and thanks for watching my video.